So, good morning, my dear kids. So, today I'm the teacher of Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation and Online Education section. We are going to see a math scholarship. Are you going to be see this math scholarship today? We are going to learn this. Yes.
Yes,
Okay. So now we are belonging from fifth standard. Today we are going to learn something about. But before that, I will show you something. Before introducing this, myself, I am Nima Brijwasi said, a teacher at Curie Crossroad MTS. And you have seen the administrative officer, nodal bit officer, nodal HM, assistant nodal HM, and the CNO of. Now, before starting, let's start with thought for the day. Can you see the thought for the day?
yes.
Yes?
Yes, Miss.
Who will read this for me?
Miss, can you?
Life,
This is a math equation.
life
In
is a
order to
math
get the most, you have
equation.
to
In
know how
order
to
to
convert
win the
negative
most, you have to know how to convert negatives into positives.
Very good, lovely reading. Life is a maths equation. In order to gain the most, you have to know how to convert negatives into positives. Like we are studying from the, we have started our day, it's around 9 o'clock. So now here you can see that life is a maths equation. What do you mean by it? Life is a maths equation. Everything is in equation form. Sometimes it is increasing, sometimes it is decreasing, sometimes it is up, sometimes it is down in our life. So sometimes happiness is there, sometimes sadness is there. So it is a maths equation. In order to gain the positive, you have to know how to convert negatives into positive. Yes or no, my dear? So if you want to know something in your life and you want to convert the negativity into positive, so you have to think positive and you have to approach positive. Okay, a lovely thought. And we will start with the day. Are you going to start with me a day?
Yes.
Yes,
So this thought is written by Anonymous. Anonymous means what? We don't know exactly who had written this thought. So we have written over here Anonymous. Okay. So next, let's see the next slide. We are going ahead with it. Oh wow, what's the picture you can see on my screen?
samosa,
Samosas and chutney.
Oh,
samosa.
samosas and chutney. Now it's morning time. All might be having a breakfast, right? So you all love samosas to eat.
Yes,
Yes, Miss.
Wow, it's a very tasty, delicious, right? We all love samosas. But can you see what is the shape of the samosas?
triangle,
It's a shape of a
triangle.
triangle. Very good. So you are very much familiar with the geometrical figures, right? What are the four basic geometrical figures? Who will tell me?
Triangle, square,
Yes.
rectangle, circle.
Very good. Excellent. Excellent. Triangle, circle, square, and one more is what?
Rectangle.
Rectangle.
Rectangle. Very good. So now, after this, we will have samosas. Okay. So all are going to eat samosas, right?
Yes,
Now see the next screen. What is this?
Watermelon
watermelon.
slice.
Triangle
Watermelon.
shape.
Very good. It's a shape of a triangle.
Triangle.
Watermelon also very nice, na? We love to have it. It's a kind of a fruit. It is a fruit, yes. So
Yes.
this food we can have it after our lunch. Okay. So now next, see what is this? Who will tell me what is this?
All fat
All fat
sweets.
sweet. All
Yes,
that's sweet.
yes. Here you can see there is an oil, fat, sweets. What is the shape of this?
Triangle.
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 Triangle. You know, my dear kids, it's a shape of a food pyramid. It is a shape of a food
Pyramid.
pyramid. In science, you might have learned, in EVS, you might have been learning that food pyramid is there. How to intake the food and which food you have to avoid. Oily, fatty, sweetness. We don't have to you eat it this much. We should eat it rarely because it is increasing our calories and then our weight is putting on. Yes? So, but now here you can see that the food pyramid is in the shape of a, it is in the shape of a,
Triangle.
Triangle.
Triangle. Very good. Now see the next. Can you see all these objects in my screen? Can
Yes,
you
Yes.
see
miss.
what are the shape of all the objects which I have presented on my screen?
Triangle. Triangle.
Triangles. Yes. You might be familiar with all these objects whichever is been shared on the screen. So now I think you might have been knowing that today what math scholarship we are going to deal. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, miss.
Oh, yes, see the lovely faces with the colorful pictures. Now, who will tell me what is the color of the shape of star?
Yellow.
Yellow.
Yellow, yes. And what is the color of the square?
Red.
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 Red. Now, who will tell me what is in the pink color?
Triangle.
Triangle.
Triangles, very good. So now here we are going to deal with, as if you already told me that today we are going to deal with triangles. Can you see my screen? How many triangles are there on my screen?
Three
Three.
triangles.
Yes, very nice. There are three triangles on my screen. My dear kids, we will deal with it. Before starting ahead, I will tell you what exactly triangle is. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Yes,
Now,
miss.
what do we mean by triangle? A triangle is a close figure bounded by three line segments. Can you see? A triangle is a close figure which is bounded by three line segments. Yes? What do
Yes,
you mean by segment? Who will tell me?
miss. Which line has joined to another line?
Yes, there is a 2 points which is a starting point and the ending point, and it is making a line that is called a segment. There are two dots at the ending and the starting, and there is in between some line is there. That line is called a line segment. You can see on the screen segment AB, segment BC, segment AC. These three lines are joined together and it is forming a triangle. We denote triangle by the symbol that is small triangle. Can you see down? I have written over here.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
Now
miss.
let's see the next portion in detail. A triangle. A triangle has three vertices, namely A, B, and C. How we will read the vertices of the triangle? Who will read for me?
Three
Three,
vertex,
three
namely
namely
A,
A, B,
B,
and
and
C.
C.
Yes, but if I will say we have to read a vertices, so we will read like vertex A, vertex B, vertex C. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
dear
miss.
kids.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now we are going to see what do we mean by vertices. As if I have moved my screen, but in short, I will explain you. Vertices means a point where two line meets to form an angle, especially the point of a triangle. Now you can see there is a green triangle, there is a light green triangle, there is a blue triangle, there is a purple triangle, there is a pinkish triangle. These are the types of triangle. You are all the shapes same? Is all the shapes same?
No.
Please tell me. The
No.
shapes of triangles are different. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, my dear kids. So can you see here? There are how many triangles on my screen?
Five.
Count, please count.
Five triangles.
Triangles are there. Very good. So now I have not written anything over here. Only you have seen some triangles are there on my screen on the red color screen. And there are five triangles, but all the triangles are having different shapes. Yes or no? Now here the names are there of the triangle on the screen. But there were five triangles, but one triangle is missing over here. Types of triangle. But now, before going ahead, please tell me what is the blue triangle name?
Equilateral.
Equilateral triangle. There are types of
Equilateral
triangles.
triangle.
Yes, there are three types of triangle, and this we are going to learn ahead in the next slide. But before that, I will just read the names of the triangle which is shown on my screen right now. Now you can see equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle. The second, the red color is what? Isosceles triangle. And the third, the yellow color is what? The down one is scalene triangle. And then you can see the right angle triangle. Yes, I think you all are very much familiar with the word right angle.
Yes.
You have learned something about type of angles.
Yes. Right angle, acute angle, obtuse angle.
Yes, very good, excellent. That means you're very much familiar with types of angles. Very good. Now, but angles have only two arms. Yes, it is not a closed figure. But you can see the right angle triangle, the green triangle over here. It is a closed figure. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, so it's forming a triangle. Whenever it is a close figure and it is joined by three segments, aligned segments, it is called a triangle. Yes,
Yes.
got this?
Yes.
Yes, and angles are all only having two arms, the left side and the right side and the down side. It may be in anyhow, in any formation. So now the first one is repeat after me, equilateral triangle.
Equilateral triangle,
The second one is isosceles triangle,
isosceles triangle,
scalene triangle,
scalene triangle,
and the right angle triangle.
right angle triangle.
You know, two more triangles are there, which you told me in the angle. Obtuse angle is also there, and acute angle is also there. We are going to see it in the next slide. Okay. Okay. Now see here types of triangles. My dear kids, you're in fifth standard. It's a scholarship. So the triangles are divided into two types. How many types?
Two types.
The triangles are divided into two types. One is based on sides. You can see on the left side, the column is written based on side, and on the right side, it is based on angles. Based on angles. So based on side, what do you mean by based on side? Like we have read it out. Equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, scalene triangle. All these triangles are included in the triangle based on sides. Yes, my dear kids. Based, hello.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, am I audible to you, my dear kids?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So now triangles are based on side. The first one is what the green triangle on the left side. Can you see, my dear kid?
Yes,
What is the first triangle? Scalene triangle. What is the first triangle?
scalene triangle.
And the second one is the down, scalene triangle down. It is an isosceles triangle. And the third
Isosceles.
one is, yes, and the third one is equilateral triangle. Now, now you might be thinking, what teacher? Scalene triangle, isosceles triangle, equilateral triangle. But what exactly it is? You know, my dear kids, can you see the triangle over here? The green triangle based on side, scalene triangle. All the sides are different. All the sides are
Different.
in scalene triangle. Always remember no sides are equal. See, I have written down over there no sides equal. That you can see the marking is there 1 mark, 2 mark, 3 mark. Can you see the marking on the triangle with black color?
Yes.
One means what? It is indicating that is different, and two means what? That is also different, and the three marking identical mark is indicating that that also is different. So no sides are same. So how all the sides are same in scale and triangle? See?
No.
No. All
No
sides
sides equal.
all sides are different. That is no sides equal. Very good, very good. So I think you might have understood what is scalene triangles. Scalene triangles are triangles which has no sides equal. Okay, all the sides are different. Can you see the down one isosceles triangle?
Yes.
Please repeat isosceles triangle. Please pronunciate with
Isosceles
me.
triangle.
Yes, isosceles triangle. Very good, very good. Isosceles triangle. Can you see the identical mark on the triangle? Are the
Yes.
identical marks same?
Teacher, two sides are equal.
Yes, very good. Two sides are equal, and you can see the identical mark. One mark is on the left side, and one mark is on the right side of the triangle. Yes, so both the
Yes.
marking is of one line only. That means it is two opposite sides are equal. Yes or
Equal.
no?
Yes.
Yes. Isosceles triangle means two sides are equal. Scalene triangle means they don't have any sides equal. Isosceles triangle have two sides equal.
Equal.
Now can you see the last one? Equilateral triangle. From the
Equivalent
spelling
triangle.
itself. Equilateral. What do you mean by equilateral? Equi. Can you are you getting what I'm saying? Equi.
Yes.
Is pronunciation coming for something? Equi
It
means
means
equal.
it means equal.
Yes, very good. Equilateral triangle means all sides are equal. Equal means what? Same. Equal means
Same.
yes, same. So equilateral triangle is a triangle which has all the sides equal. You can see the identical mark on all the sides of the triangle. The left side, the right side, and the down side. They have only one identical mark. Yes or no? They have only
Yes.
one identical mark. Yes. Now I have only explained you triangles based on sides, and we will go ahead with based on sides, but we will see that sides on different slide. Okay. Now you can see the classifying triangles. Can you see?
Yes.
Yes,
Now
miss.
yes. Now before going ahead with classifying triangles, can you tell me what we have seen the earlier slide based on?
Triangle.
Sides.
Based on triangle based on side. Very good. How many types of triangles were based on side?
Based on
Three.
side. Two.
Three. Very good. Can you name it, please? Anyone can name it?
Yes, miss. Right.
Please.
Same
Obtuse
triangle.
and obtuse.
No, that is based on angle, which I have not
Scalene
explained
triangle.
till now.
Scalene
Yes,
triangle.
triangle.
Isosceles triangle. Equal.
Isosceles. That is, my dear, isosceles triangle. What are you
I,
going to pronunciate? Yes.
isosceles triangle.
Yes.
Equilateral triangle.
Equilateral triangle. Very good. And something was there on the right side. But I will explain you after classifying
Yes,
triangles. Okay.
teacher.
One
It
by
was
one, we are
right
going to go
angle,
ahead.
acute angle, obtuse angle.
Yes, very good. That is, you are very much familiar. Excellent. You are very much familiar. Lovely, my kids, lovely. Now, next slide. We are going to see classifying triangles. Okay. Oh, yeah, it came. Classification of triangles. Again, it is based on sides, it's based on angle. And already we have learned something about triangle based on sides. Isosceles triangle, equilateral triangle, and scalene triangle, which already we have discussed. That's why I have moved my slide ahead, and now we are going to see triangle based according to angles. Triangle based according to angles. On the
Angle.
right side, who will read for me?
Yes, miss. Can
Acute
we?
angle
According
Yes,
to
triangle,
please.
obtuse
according to
angle
angle.
triangle, right
According to
angle
angle triangle.
triangle.
Acute angle triangle. Equilateral triangle. Obtuse
Right.
angle. Scalene triangle. Right angle triangle.
Oh, that means you have read both according to side and according to angles. But now we have already dealt with according to sides. In the previous slide, we have gone through isosceles triangle, equilateral triangle, and scalene triangle. But now we are going to learn something about according to angles. What do you mean by acute angle triangle? Who will tell me the meaning of acute angle triangle?
Less
I think
than 90.
Which triangle shape was
Less than
acute and
90.
whose degree was less than
Teacher,
90 degree?
yes, very good. An angle whose measurement is less than 90 degree is called an acute angle triangle. Now, what do you mean by obtuse angle triangle?
More
Which
than
is one
90.
of the obtuse
Teacher,
angle
more than 90, that
which is
Yes,
that
very
more than
good.
90
angle
degree
is
and less
called
than
more
90
than
degree.
90.
Yes, an angle whose measurement is more than 90 degree, it is called an obtuse angle triangle. Now, what is right angle triangle?
90 degree.
This shape was a right angle
Yes,
and
Teacher,
yes,
this,
90
right
degree.
and
angle.
this degree has
Yes,
a 90 degree.
yes, an angle who has a measurement of 90 degree
And
is
this is
called an
obtuse
right
angle.
angle triangle. Very good, very good. Clap for yourself. Clap, clap, everyone, clap for yourself. Very good. Very nice. So according to side, according to angle, that means you all are very much familiar with types of angles. But now I have dealt with types of sides also. So isosceles triangle, equilateral triangle, scalene triangle. Now many times the question is asked, how many types of triangles are there? Then what will be your answer? Who will tell me the answer for this?
Three types of a triangle.
Three
First
types of
angle of a triangle. Second
Ah,
angle of
sections
a
very
of
good.
side.
triangle.
Now.
Triangle.
Yes, very good. Now I want to say something. Now, for example, I asked you how many types of triangles are there? You told me the answer there are three types of triangle. Yes, you're very right. But my dear kids, there are six types of triangles. How many types of triangles are there?
Six types of triangle.
Ah, three triangle. Yes, very good. Three triangles are based on side. Three triangles are based on angle.
Angle.
This is the classification of triangle. What is this classification of
Triangle.
Classification of
triangle?
triangle.
So now if anybody will ask you how many types of triangles are there, you can say there are three, no, there are six types of
Types
triangles.
of
How many
triangle.
types of triangles are there?
Six types of triangle.
Yes. But if I will ask you how it is six type of triangle, I have only there is three types of triangle. So how you will explain me? Please let me know.
There was a two parts that was according to slides and second one
According to
according
side
to
and
angle.
according
In
to
according
angle.
to slides there
According
are
to side,
three
equal
and according
triangles,
to
equilateral triangle,
according to
scalar
slides
triangle,
there
and
are
according to angle, acute angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle, and right angle triangle. These are
Very good, very
because
good.
they are
Excellent,
called
boy. Excellent, my
types
dear
of
kid.
triangle.
Excellent. Yes, very good. So classification of triangles are there. It is based on side, it is based on angle, okay? There are three types of sides and there are three types of angle. 3 plus 3 is making 6. There are how many types of triangle? 6 type of triangle. Now next, do you want to see my next slide? We will
Yes.
deal something in details, okay? Okay, now see by sides. Now read everyone. Equilateral triangle has three equal sides.
Has
Triangle
two
has how many sides? Who
equal
will tell me?
angles
How many
and
sides are there in the triangle?
three.
Three
three.
sides. Yes. So these triangles are also having three sides. One is equilateral triangle. The first one has three equal sides. Equal means same. The second one is isosceles triangle. They have two sides equal. The opposite sides are equal. The opposite sides are.
Equal.
If I will ask you, who is having two sides equal? So your answer will be
Isolated triangle.
very good. And now the next one is scalene triangle. You know, scalene triangle has no
No
sides
equal side.
equal.
No equal
Yes,
sign.
all the sides are different. All the sides are
Different.
No equal.
different. No equal sides. Yes, very good. So are you very much familiar with triangle based on side?
Yes,
Yes.
miss.
Now let's move ahead. Can you see here? Isosceles triangle. You can write like this. You can make a triangle like this. And if I will ask you, is triangle A, is segment AB equal to AC? Yes. So if segment AB is equal to AC, then which type of triangle is it? Then it is a triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Now see here, isosceles triangle. If only two sides of triangles are equal. Now already we have. Now who will name the triangle? Please name the triangle.
Isolated triangle.
Yes. Isosceles triangle, very good. But that is a type of triangle. But I asked you name of the triangle. Like so many boys are there in our class, but one or two boy, or so all the boys might be having some name. Yes or no?
Yes, miss.
So this triangle, I have given some name to the triangle. Who will tell me the name of the triangle?
Yes, miss.
Finland triangle,
Isosceles triangle. Equilateral triangle.
equilateral triangle,
Oh no.
triangle,
Yes, very
Triangle.
good.
acute
Understood,
angle
understood.
triangle, obtuse angle triangle, right angle triangle.
Triangle.
Okay, okay. Very good. Now listen, my dear kids, listen to me. These are the types of triangle based on side and based on angle, which you have already told me right now. But my question is, if I so many boys are there in my class. There is a male boy, and that is a boy is a male, and a girl is a female. They are belonging to the type of gender. There is a type of gender, boys and girls, okay, women and men. So now there are types of triangle also, based on side, based on angle also. But this triangle is having some name like isosceles, scalene, and equilateral, or acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle triangle. Yes, but now in my picture, in my screen, you can see that triangle I have made. That triangle is having some name, like then some alphabets are there on my triangle. That is
ABC.
A, B, C. So how I will read the triangle. Can you tell me please?
Triangle ABC.
Yes,
Triangle,
very good, very good. Now here the you are right. The name of my isosceles triangle is triangle ABC,
C.
because we can draw many triangles, yes, but we have to give a name. And if the identical mark, can you see the identical mark? Segment
yes,
AB is having one mark, segment AC is having one mark. That means they both the sides are same. If both the sides are same or equal, it is called an isosceles triangle. Two opposite sides are same. Now I have written here AB is equal to AC. Can you see AB on my triangle?
yes,
Segment AB on my triangle?
Yes, miss.
What is the
yes.
opposite of segment AB?
AC,
AC.
AC. How you will read AC or segment AC?
segment,
AC.
Segment AC, very good. So two opposite sides are same. It is called an isosceles triangle. But this isosceles triangle is having some name. Triangle ABC. You know, I have written a spelling, or I have used a symbol of triangle to write a triangle ABC is an
Symbol.
isosceles triangle.
Symbol.
Symbol.
symbol,
Whenever you're writing the name of a triangle, any type of triangle, okay? If it is an equilateral triangle, it is an isosceles, it is an acute, it is an obtuse, it is a right angle triangle. Any type of triangles are there. If you are writing a name, so you will use the symbol of triangle, and you will make a small triangle that is a symbol of triangle, which is denoted by this shape, that is a small triangle. Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Now
Triangle.
let's move ahead. Oh wow, equilateral triangle. Who will read this for me?
Equilateral triangle. If all the three sides of a triangle are equal,
triangles are equal.
it's called equilateral triangle.
Very good. Now can you see what is the name of my triangle? Now you will tell me the name of a triangle, okay? What is the
Triangle
name of my
DEF. Triangle
Very
DEF.
good.
Triangle,
Yeah. Yes. The name of my equilateral triangle is triangle DEF. Okay. Now all the sides equal. Yes. Yes, very good. All the sides are equal. That is, segment DE is equal to EF, segment EF is equal to DF. So if all the sides are equal or same, it is called an equilateral triangle. And
Triangle.
I will read it. A triangle DEF is an equilateral triangle because all the sides are equal. Say, you can see up the red one. DE is equal to EF, EF is equal to DF. Yes. So all the
Yes.
sides are equal. Now next move ahead. Scale in
Scalar
triangle.
triangle.
Now who will read this for me?
If
Scalar
all the
triangle,
three
all the
sides
three
of
sides
triangle are
no
different
different lengths.
lengths, it's
It's called
called
triangle.
scalar triangle.
Yes. Can you see any identical mark on my triangle?
No.
No, no,
No. Because all the sides are different. All the sides are.
different.
Different.
Who will name the scalene triangle? Tell me the name of the
Triangle
scalene triangle.
PQ. Triangle
PQ.
PQR. Triangle
Triangle
PQR.
PQR. Very good. So segment PQ is not equal to QR. QR is not equal to PR. Can you see the equal mark had been crossed? Yes.
Yes, miss.
So that
Yes.
is a sign of unequal. That is a sign of unequal. It is showing the sign of unequal. Okay. When it is equal, we will put only two dash. And if it is unequal, in two dash, we are going to cut that dash. Okay. Yes. So
Yes.
segment PQ is not equal to QR. Segment QR is not equal to segment PR. You can read like this also, and it is called a scalene triangle. What is the name of the triangle? Scalene triangle. Triangle.
PQR.
So now,
PQR.
yes, now read after me. Scalene triangle.
Scalar
Scalar
triangle.
triangle.
If all the three sides of a triangle are of different length, it is called scalene triangle. Read, beta.
Scalar.
If scalar triangle has no equal length, it is called scalar triangle.
Very good.
Scalar triangle.
So now segment PQ is not equal to
What means?
segment PQ. You can see my screen, the red one, the red one.
Yes.
Segment PQ is not equal to segment, and segment QR is not equal to segment
PR.
PR. Very good, very good. Next slide we are going to see acute triangle, right triangle, and obtuse triangle. Now, who will tell me this type of triangle is based on angle or based on side?
Angle of angles.
Angles. Very good, very good. This type of triangle is based on angle. The first angle is acute triangle angle. The second one is right angle triangle. And the third one is obtuse angle triangle, which you all are very much familiar. Can you see what I have written down? Acute triangle. Can you read this?
Three angles is equal to 90 degree.
No. Three angles is equal to or less than 90 degree.
Smaller than 90
Theta
degree.
acute angle less than 90 degree.
Yes. Can you see that symbol? The beak of the mouth is closed before angle and it is open after 90 degree. If the mouth is closed, it is called a smaller symbol. And if it is a mouth of a beak, that is the beak of a bird is open, it is called a bigger sides. Okay. Smaller and bigger. You know this symbol, huh? Everybody is familiar with this symbol. If the
Yes.
mouth is open, it is bigger. If the mouth is closed, it is acute angle triangle is less than 90 degree. Right angle triangle has only one right angle, and obtuse triangle has angle triangle is more than 90 degree. Okay.
More
90
than 90 degree.
Yes.
More
So
than
you
90 degree.
yes. Okay. What are these? These are the triangle based on angle. Now we will
Angle.
move. Okay. See, now one by one we are going to see acute angle triangle, a triangle in which every angle is an acute angle. Can you see the symbol? Angle P is also acute, angle Q is also acute, angle R is also acute. Yes, why it is acute? Because it is less than 90 degree.
90 degree.
Now, who will tell me what is the name of the acute angle triangle?
Triangle PQR.
PQR.
Triangle PQR.
Yes, very good. Now we will move ahead. Right angle triangle. Who will read this for me?
A triangle in which the measure of the triangle is 90 degree is called right angled triangle.
Wow, excellent reading, beta. Very good, very good. Keep it up. Now you can see there. What is the name of the right angle triangle? Who will tell me?
Angle element. Hypotenuse.
Hypotenuse.
Yes.
Hypotenuse.
No, I just asked you what is the name of the triangle. The name of the triangle is triangle LMN.
Triangle
What
LMN.
is the measure of angle M? What is the measure of angle M?
90 degree.
90 degree.
Very good. Is there all the angles of 90 degree or only one angle is of 90 degree?
Only one angle is
Only one
90
angle has
degree.
90 degree.
Yes. So always remember a triangle whose measure is having only one angle 90 degree. It is called a right angle triangle. Okay. Now, what is the opposite side of angle M?
N.
What is the
N.
opposite of angle
N.
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 opposite side I told you. What is the opposite side of angle M?
L.
L.
No, that is angle. Opposite side means what? Side means what? There are two letters on the side. That is segment. What is there? Segment LN. So opposite side of angle M is LN. Always remember whenever you have to deal with opposite side, I'm talking about side, my dear. If one angle is there, that angle is facing the opposite side, that side is called then opposite side of that angle. Now angle M. What is the opposite side of angle M? Side LN. What is the opposite side of N? Side LM. What is the opposite side of
LM.
yes? Side MN. So you always remember now, hypotenuse side means what? Hypotenuse side means an angle which is having a 90 degree. The face of an angle is opposite to that side. It is called an hypotenuse side. Hypotenuse side means always opposite to angle 90 degree. Okay?
Yes, miss.
Yes, teacher.
Hypotenuse side means always opposite of 90 degree side. Okay. Hypotenuse side is always opposite to angle 90 degree. Yes, my dear kids.
Yes, miss.
Yes,
It is
1090.
and it
Sorry,
is a
teacher, 90 degree.
yes. Whichever side is opposite to 90 degree only, it is called an hypotenuse side. If it is 60 degree, that angle opposite side will call an hypotenuse side. Tell me.
No.
No. If the angle is having a measure of 90 degree and the opposite side, that side is called an hypotenuse side. Okay. And always remember, hypotenuse side is the biggest side in the triangle, that is right angle triangle. Which side is the bigger side? Who will tell me? Who will tell me which bigger side?
What, miss?
Tell me the name of the bigger side in the triangle, right angle
Miss,
triangle.
your voice is breaking. Some background music.
Is it? I think somebody, my dear kids, please mute, please mute. Now I am audible to you.
Yes, miss.
Okay. Now listen to me. Whenever there is a right angle triangle, if the hypotenuse side is opposite to 90 degree, so that side is always a bigger side of that is a right angle triangle. Okay. Always remember. Angle M is 90 degree, the opposite side is side LN, and that LN is a hypotenuse side, and it is the biggest side in the right angle triangle. Okay, my dear kids?
Yes, miss. Okay.
Yes. Now, next move ahead. Obtuse angle triangle. Can you see the measurement of angle B?
Yes, miss.
It has been marked with a curve. Yes.
Yes,
So that
miss.
obtuse angle triangle. What do you mean by obtuse angle triangle? Please read. Please
Which
read.
is a triangle in which one of the angle is an obtuse angle.
Obtuse angle
Yes.
is called a obtuse angle triangle.
Miss,
Teacher,
can I tell
obtuse
in my
angle
word?
means
Miss,
more
can I
than
tell this in
90.
my word?
Teacher,
Yes,
More
you.
than 90.
Yes, you.
angle means more than 90.
Yes, in simple way, obtuse angle means more than 90 degree. Okay, more than 90 degree means how much? 91 is obtuse angle. Yes, tell me, 91 is obtuse
No,
angle.
no.
No, why? 91. It is more than 90, na beta.
Yes, miss.
Yes.
One head also is more than 90 degrees, so it is an obtuse angle. If it is 92, then also it is an obtuse angle. If it is 92, then also it is an obtuse angle. Ha. If it is 89, then it is an obtuse angle.
No.
No, it is an acute angle. Okay. If it is less than 90 degree, it is acute. If it is more than 90 degree, it is obtuse. What is the
Obtuse.
name of an obtuse angle in the screen which is shown to you? Tell me the
Angle
name.
ABC.
ABC.
Angle ABC.
Angle
Angle
ABC.
or
Angle ABC.
Angle or triangle? Please tell me, it is triangle or angle?
Sorry,
Triangle ABC. Triangle
triangle
ABC.
ABC.
Triangle ABC, because we are not dealing with angle, we are dealing with triangle. Okay, very good, very good. Next move. Now we will see some illustrative examples. How many triangles are there in this figure? Who will tell me? Please count
Four.
it.
Four. Four. Option
Triangles.
number C, four.
Teacher, five triangles.
Chalo, let's count. Let's
Five
count.
triangles.
See how many triangles. First one, then two. Can you
Two,
see the
three,
two,
four, and teacher one big one.
four, and then the big one, that is five.
Five triangles.
So how many triangles are there in this figure? Option
Five
number, option number
B.
B. That is second. Option number second and B. Answer is of B option. Okay. That answer is what? Five. What is the answer? Five. Very good. So you can identify the triangle in the bigger triangle. Okay. Very good. Very good. Now let's see which of the following is an isosceles triangle. Now who will tell me? What do you mean by isosceles triangle? I have explained you.
Option
Option
number
number second. Option number second. Option number second.
C1.
Option
All,
number second.
all are saying for option number second. What do you mean by isosceles triangle? Who will tell
Miss,
me?
only two sides are equal.
Who have only
Only two sides are equal.
Two sides
Yes.
are equal.
So you can two identical mark. Very good. So answer is option number two.
Two.
Good, very good. Isosceles triangle means only two sides are equal. That is, the opposite sides are equal of a triangle. Next slide we will see. Oh wow. Now who will read this for me?
Classify the triangle into acute angle, obtuse angle, and right angle with the following angles. Option number A 90 degree, 45 degree, 45 degree. Option number B 60 degree, 60 degree, 60 degree. Option number C 80 degree, 60 degree, 40 degree. Option number D 130 degree, 40 degree, 10 degree. Option number
Teacher,
5
option
90
number
degree,
E will
35
come.
degree, 55 degree. Option number 6 92 degree, 38 degree, 50 degree.
Oh wow, excellent reading, but very fast reading. Very good, very good. Okay,
Teacher,
okay,
option
okay.
number E.
No, yeah, there is no option. You have to classify the triangle. You don't have to identify which options are there. I will tell you, okay? Now you have
Yes.
to make three columns. One will be acute triangle, one will be obtuse triangle, and one will be of right angle triangle, okay? So how many columns we are going to make? Three. How many
Three.
columns? Three.
Three
So
columns.
90 degree. So listen, 90 degree is there. 45 is how much? 45 plus 45 is making how much? 90. Yes.
90.
And
90.
90 plus 90 is making how much?
90 plus 90. One
Yes,
minute, miss. 180.
180
180.
degree.
180.
180. Yes, very
180.
good. Yes, very good. My dear kids, now listen to me very quietly. Very quietly. Listen to me. You know what? The sum of a triangle always 180 degree. The sum of the measure of a triangle is 180 degree. If you will measure all the angles of a triangle, and if it is coming 180 degree, then it is called a triangle. Is having a measure of 180 degree. Okay. Always remember, if anybody will ask you, what is the measure of a triangle? What is the sum of the measure of a triangle? So your answer will be 180 degree. What will be your answer?
180 degree.
180 degree.
180. For example, now see the second option. See the second option. 60 plus 60 is how much?
120.
120.
180.
120. 60 plus
120.
60 is 120. And again, you will add one more 60 because there are three 60s. Okay. So this 60 plus 60 plus
180.
60 is making 1. So a triangle is always having a sum of a measure of a triangle is 180 degree. If anybody will ask you what is the sum of the measure of a triangle, your answer will be
180 degree.
yes.
180 degree.
All the three angles of a triangle, if you will add it, sum means what? Add. SUM. Sum. Sum means what? Add. Sum means what?
Add.
Add. If all the angles of a triangle you will add it out or you will sum it out and the answer is coming 180 degree, so your triangle is perfect triangle because the sum of the measure of a triangle is 180 degree. Now see the C option, 80 plus 60 plus 40.
180 degree.
Now taking 180 degree. So have you got it?
Yes,
130,
miss.
40 plus 10.
180 degree.
Now see the E1. 90 plus 35 plus 55. Is it 180 degree? Yes or no? Yes. 92 plus 38 plus 50, even it is 180 degree. Okay. So we have added all the numbers and we have got a sum of a measure of a triangle that is 180 degree. Okay. Now you have to classify. 90 degree will be coming in acute triangle, obtuse triangle or right triangle.
Right triangle.
So this A option will be going under right angle triangle. 60 plus 60, 60, 60 all are going to come in acute, obtuse or right angle. It is less than 90 degree, yes.
Obtuse. Obtuse.
It is less than 90 degree. All no, now you will see different numbers. Three angles are in the triangle, okay? So one is of 60, other is also of 60, and the other is also of 60. So 60, 60, 60 is there. You don't have to add it. So it is coming in which category? It is coming in acute triangle, obtuse triangle, or right triangle.
Obtuse.
Obtuse triangle.
Obtuse angle.
No,
Obtuse triangle.
60 is less than 90 degrees, so it is coming in acute triangle.
Obtuse triangle.
Because you don't have to add, you're adding, then it is coming in obtuse triangle. If you are not adding, it is coming in acute triangle. Okay. Now 80, 60, 40, all the angles are of different measurement. One angle is of 80, one angle is of 60, one angle is 40. So it is coming in which type of angle triangle?
Obtuse.
Ob-
Acute triangle, yes. Because
Acute triangle.
acute triangle is always less than 90 degree. Now the next one, D option, 130, 40 and 10. So 130 is more than 90 degree, yes or no?
Obtuse angle.
Yes, miss.
Yes, very good. So now the next one, 90, 35 and 55. So what is the first measurement? 90 degree. So 90 degree is
Right
coming in
angle.
which?
Right angle.
Right
angle.
triangle. Yes. Now here 92 is there. 92 will be coming in which angle?
Obtuse. Obtuse. Obtuse.
Obtuse. Very good. Very good. Excellent. Yes, very good. Okay. Now we can identify this was based on angle. Now we will see based on sides. Who will read this for me?
Classify the triangle according to sides that is equilateral, isosceles and scalene triangle. 6 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 5 centimeter. Option number B, 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter. 7 centimeter, 7 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 12 centimeter, 10
Okay,
centimeter.
okay, okay,
Option
okay. Very good, very good, very good.
3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter, and 3.5 centimeter, 3.5 centimeter, 4.5 centimeter.
Wow, in one sequence. Yes, very good. In one sequence, you're reading very good, my dear. What is your name?
Aditya.
Aditya and Ruchi. Very good. Keep it up, keep it up. Very good, beta. Very good. But we should give some pause in between while reading. Yes or no? But you all are very nicely. Very good. Excellent kids. All other kids are also going to say, okay? You all other are also going to answer to my question. Now classify the triangle according to sides. Now that is side means what? Equilateral triangle, isosceles and scalene triangle. Equilateral triangle is a triangle which is having all sides equal. So now where is all the sides same? See, all the numbers are same. Which option is having all the numbers same?
Option number B.
B. So option number B is what? Equilateral triangle. Now who will tell me isosceles triangle? Which two measurement are same? In which option two numbers are same?
Option number C.
Option C. Yes, very good. Option number C only. One more is there. C, C.
Option number
Option number
F.
F. Very good. F also there because two measurement is same. One is 3 point, one is 3 point, and one is 4 point. So whenever two sides are of equal measurement, it is a which triangle? It is an isosceles triangle. Yes. Now option number C and F is under which category? Isosceles triangle. Now tell me scalene triangle. Tell me this scalene triangle, my dear. See, this is 6 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 5. What do you mean by scalene triangle? All the measurement will be
Not equal.
not equal. See, this
Option
is
number
8
A.
centimeter, this is 12 centimeter, this is 10 centimeter. Are the measurements same?
No, miss.
So D is scalene triangle. And what is this? 6 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 5 centimeter. Is it a scalene triangle, isosceles triangle, or equilateral triangle?
Scalene triangle.
Scalene triangle. Very good. What is this? 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter?
Scalene triangle.
Scalene triangle. Because all the measurements are of different numbers. Yes? So whenever there is none of the measures same, it is called a scalene triangle or no side equal. It is called scalene triangle. If opposite sides are equal, it is called isosceles triangle. If it all the sides are same, it is called equilateral triangle. And these three triangles are based on sides. Are based on
Sides.
so you have seen the category and you have classified this option, okay? You have classified all from A to F in which the classification equilateral, isosceles and scalene. Very good. Now next move ahead. Oh wow, can you see here classifying triangle worksheet? Now you will classify this triangle into acute, right, and obtuse. There are three options. Now tell me, the first one is what? Acute triangle, obtuse triangle, or right angle triangle? Tell me, beta, first. The first option is having which answer is correct? It is acute triangle. Very good.
Acute
Now,
angle.
yes. Now see the second one. Second picture is what? Right angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle, or acute angle triangle.
Right.
See.
Right angle.
Yes, very good. See the third one. Acute angle triangle, right angle, or
Obtuse.
obtuse angle?
Obtuse.
Obtuse because it is more than 90 degree. And the mouth of the triangle is open. See the fourth one. Acute triangle, right or obtuse? Acute, very good. Because the mouth of the triangle is getting close. Okay. So it is acute. If the mouth of the triangle is open, it is getting open. So it is obtuse. Again, the fifth one is what? Right? Tell me, fifth one is
Obtuse.
what?
Obtuse.
Acute, very good. It is acute. And even it is a right angle triangle. If you will see from here, it is acute. If you will see from this side, it is right angle triangle.
Miss, your voice is not coming.
Now see here. Sixth one. Am I audible to you, my dear kids?
Yes, Miss.
This is right angle triangle or obtuse angle or acute triangle? Tell me.
Obtuse.
No, it
Right.
is.
Right angle.
Now tell me. It is right angle triangle. Yes, very good. Now tell me which is this 7-1.
Obtuse.
Very good. 8-1.
Right.
Right. Very good. Very good. So you can classify the triangles, okay, based on angle. Now next slide. Evaluation. We are going to do some evaluation part, okay? A triangle having no two sides congruent is called dash. See the option and tell me the answer. Now, what do you mean by congruent? Congruent means same, same or equal. Okay, congruent means what? Same or equal. This meaning. What is the meaning of this? Congruent means same. Yeah, either you can say equal. So a
Scalene.
triangle no two
Scalene.
is called what? Scalene triangle. Very good. Excellent. Very good. Very good, beta. Keep it up. Now each angle of an equilateral triangle is dash. Each angle of an equilateral triangle is, what is this? Tell me. What will be the answer for this? Each angle of an equilateral triangle is acute angle triangle. See the option. See here. This is also less than 90 degree. 90 degree. This option also less than 90 degree. Yes. Yes.
Yes, Miss.
So each angle of an equivalent triangle is always acute angle. Okay. It is always
Acute
acute.
angle.
Now identify the triangle. Chalo, very fast. Who will tell me which type of
Obtuse.
angle?
Obtuse. Obtuse.
Triangle. Very good. Because the measurement was 110 degree. Who will tell me what is the
Right angle.
measurement?
Right
Right angle.
angle.
Right. What is the measurement? What is the
90
measurement?
degree. 90 degree.
Right angle triangle. Let's go ahead. Which angle is this?
It is acute.
It is an acute, and even it is which side? Equilateral triangle, because you can see the identical mark. All the side, all
All
the
the sides are equal.
yes, all sides are equal. So it is called an equilateral triangle. Also, it is called an
And
acute.
acute angle also.
Yes, very good, very good. Now next slide, we will move ahead. An equilateral triangle has all sides dash. Who will tell me?
Equal. Equal.
Very good. Quick, quick. What kind of a triangle is this? Who will tell me the answer for this? What type of triangle is this?
Acute. Acute.
Acute angle triangle, because all the measurement are of
Less than
different
90.
less than 90 degree. Very good. Now it's a turn of homework. Do you want homework?
Yes, Miss.
Can you see the picture on my screen, on the homework screen? What is there? Which fruit is on my screen?
Apple.
Apple. So do you love to eat apple? Do you all eat
Yes,
apple?
Miss.
You know
Yes,
what?
Miss.
Apple keeps the doctor away. You heard about the slogan, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. So, my dear kids, every day you should eat one apple. So, you will never meet a doctor. If you will keep on eating one apple daily, it will make you fit and healthy. And then you can write your homework. Yes or
Yes,
no?
Miss. Yes, Miss. Miss, I daily eat apple.
You eat daily apple. Very good, very good. You should eat it, okay? So apples a day keep a doctor away. So if the doctor is away, you will be fit, you will be healthy. So we can go ahead with the homework. Yes or no? So next slide is of homework. Can you see my homework?
Yes, Miss.
Yes. So take a screenshot and you
Miss.
can homework. Either you can write in your notebook or you can take the printout. Take the screenshot, my dear kids. Take the screenshot. Have you took the screenshot of your
Yes,
homework?
Miss.
So if you don't have to take a printout. If you don't want to take a printout, you can draw this and you can write it down in your notebook or in the worksheet in the full skip paper or in the project paper, whichever is available with you. Okay. So this was your homework. One more homework is there here. Classifying triangle. See, I have written your name also. If you will take print out, so you can write your name also, and you can classify.
Miss,
Definition. Okay,
some
yes, say my
Rehan Sahis, Miss, some Rehan Sahista is messaging, and so
what
that's
is
why I cannot see the slide of homework.
okay. So now take. You can see now the previous homework, the previous slide. Can you see the homework
Yes,
now?
Miss.
So
Yes,
take a
Miss.
slide here. Take a
Miss, can you
screenshot.
see? Miss, can you repeat the slide of second homework slide?
Yes. See second homework slide. Take the
Yes, Miss.
screenshot. Okay. See, it is equilateral. You have to match it. Okay, definition. Equilateral triangle. You have to match it. Three equal
Three
sides.
equal sides.
Isosceles triangle. Two
Two
equal
equal
sides.
sides.
Right triangle. No equal.
No
You can
equal
take the
sides.
screenshot also. You can take the printout, and then either you can write in your notebook. You can record wherever you want to record it out. Okay. If you are taking printout, so you can write your name also. See, you can write your name also. Yes. So you can label the triangles also over here. I have drawn the triangles. I have drawn the triangle over here also and here also. Now, thank you, my dear kids. So stay home, stay safe, and take care of yourself. Wear mask. Like previous teacher told you, Hindi teacher also told you that you should wear a mask. You should wash your hand, and you should cover your mouth wherever you're going. And if it is coughing, sneezing, you should visit the doctor and take proper medical aid. Okay. So now we're going to stop over here and we will wind up our session and take care of your health. Do you love my session? Have you all understood whatever I have taught you?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. So take care. Bye everyone. Bye.